Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I wanted to show you how to create a detailed battery report in Windows 10. Friends, Windows 10 has a built-in hidden battery report tool that can tell you everything you need to know about your laptop battery, including your battery life estimate and its capacity over time. Use this Power CFG command to better understand your battery's health and optimize your computer's battery life. So firstly, press Window key plus X. Now click on Command Prompt Admin. Now type in Power CFG / battery report and make enter. Now copy this location. This command will create a battery report under C Windows System 32 battery report.html or in Windows versions older than Windows 10 under C users username. So search this location which we make and click on. So now you will get battery report, your computer name and all thing. Also recent uses, battery uses, battery drain over the last 3 days, start time, state duration, energy drained, usage history, history of system uses on AC and battery, battery capacity history, charge capacity history of the system's batteries, battery life estimate. And another way, you can go to C drive, Windows, System 32, and you will find battery report. Click this one. So friends, by this simple method, you can get battery report. So perhaps of most usefulness to most people is the battery life estimate, how long you can expect your battery to last based on actual uses and how it's changed since you first installed the OS. It's more accurate and precise than relying on the battery icon in your taskbar. Other report sections such as usage history and battery capacity can help you check your laptop battery's health to get many more detail about your battery than you found the battery icon in the taskbar. Remember this hidden trick. So friends, I hope you like this video and you know how to create a detailed battery report in Windows 10. If you like this video, so please hit like button, share. If you have any questions, so comment, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks again for watching this video.